Dear Lillian, this past year and a half has been a whirlwind. From moving back to the beach, where your asthma and lungs were doing so well, to your diagnosis of alpha-1, doctors, blood work, tests, but you've always been so strong. When I've been sad, even when you didn't feel good, you've always told me that you love me and it was going to be okay. It's not been easy. There have been tears, a lot of tears, anger, laughter, and joy, but we have made it. You have taught me how to be patient and more loving and caring. You have a huge heart and you love to help others. You don't let this disease get you down, even on the days when you feel the worst. This trip has brought us so much closer as a family. To see the happiness and joy that this trip has brought you is something that I have never seen. Seeing your face light up and the tears of joy when you got to meet Lil Nas X was amazing. Watching you turn into a princess was so moving for me. That's a moment that I will always cherish. After this year, you, my dear, deserve this. This is your time. To Bert and the whole entire Bert's Big Adventure family, thank you. Thank you for being so patient and so kind to Lillian. She absolutely adores you and will always remember the kindness shown to her during our time together in the parks. Thank you all for showing kindness, love, and compassion and care. We will forever be grateful for you, and we are so blessed to be a part of this family. Lillian, we love you so much, and we hope that this trip was all you could ever dream of.